Hey there, my name is Eric Papard. I live in Largo, Florida, and this was my experience with LeafFilter. It all started when I came home from vacation and my gutters were on the ground in my backyard. Now, y'all probably know about Florida. We get a little bit of rain, and did a couple of scouting missions online, reached out, sent a couple quick contact forms, things like that. LeafFilter was the first one to get back to me. They were the first ones to come out and give me a quote. It was very professional. It was very, very well done. I felt very, very comfortable with every single step of that process. And with the quotes that I got, I found out that they were probably the most competitively priced and had a better quality product with a better warranty. So we were able to get that all handled very quickly. We were able to get that scheduled within, I believe it was about a week to 10 days, and make sure that with those lovely hurricane floods coming and all that heavy rain, that we were able to go ahead, get that installation done quickly. The team was very professional. They showed up exactly on time. If any of y'all are in Florida and know what it's like to get a contractor to show up on time, I'm sure that you'll really appreciate that. We got to do a full inspection before they left the premises. Everything was even better. They were done even faster than anticipated. Quality was top notch, and we were just incredibly, incredibly happy with our entire experience.